Hello guys.
Hi Celine, how are you?
I'm Rapunzel.
You're Rapunzel? What is that thing?
It's my Rapunzel tail.
Your Rapunzel tail? That's a tie.
Tybo.
Tie, that's a gaming tie. Look at, are you gonna open it? Yes, let's do it. Let's open that tie. Maybe I can wear it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
For school.
For school, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I can wear it for school, maybe for a party.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
For a party, yeah.
For a party, maybe you can wear it for a party. It's alright. He's sleeping, he's sleeping.
He's sleeping.
Yeah, so that's a tie. Let me see.
What is this? Oh, you can put it right here. And that's it. Just kidding.
Okay, so here we go guys. This is a tie. This is a gaming tie.
Oh, you
Okay.
put it like a necklace.
That is true. Look at.
Like it looks like I have a tail one.
Yep, that is true. And this is from. This is a
Bye boy.
Black It. Black It
Boy.
Gig. Black It
Boy toy.
a Gig.
A gig.
Yeah.
It's
Maybe I
so
got the
long.
name wrong, but we tried. So this is the design, guys.
Somebody's pulling my
on
hair.
that tie.
Somebody's
All right.
pulling my hair.
All right, Celine. So that's it, right? We
No.
just got the tie, and then we're just gonna do another video.
2 videos.
Two videos more. All right. All right. See you
We're
guys
gonna do the
later.
hat and the video. Wait, no,
Don't
no,
for-
no, the hat and the Lego.
And the Legos. Okay. Don't forget, guys, to give us a like on the video and
Check.
Comment.
Check.
comment what you guys would like to see. And 3, subscribe to our channel.
We did 3 videos. This one, this one, this one.
Yay!
And we did a video this one. Just kidding.
All right. See you later, guys. Bye bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye bye.